Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Jetta side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need a new side mirror assembly. Make sure you are working in a safe, well-lit area. This process is straightforward and can save you money on labor costs. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Locate the electrical connector and carefully disconnect it. Next, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 bolts securing the old mirror to the door frame. Support the mirror as you remove the last bolt to prevent it from falling. Now, carefully position the new side mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts securely. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. Before reattaching the door panel, test the mirror's functionality, including power adjustments and any integrated turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Double-check that the panel is flush with the door. Give your new mirror a good clean for clear visibility. Remember, proper maintenance extends the life of your vehicle's components. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.